Hey everyone, Coach Investor back with another Lemonade video for you today. So in today's video, we're going to discuss the possible inclusion of car insurance for Lemonade. They've been giving us a couple of hints on Twitter this week. We're going to discuss what this means for Lemonade. How can they actually introduce car insurance? How is this going to happen? Obviously, the big counter argument is that, well, it's very, very hard for a company to go into car insurance, especially now with Tesla insurance into play. How can they compete with Tesla? That's the huge argument I always see in the comments, so we're going to discuss that as well. But before I continue with this video, if you like these videos and this channel, leave it an early thumbs up as it really helps me out grow the channel and get my videos out there. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button. We're on the way to 9,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate it if we hit it before the end of the month. Now, without further ado, let's dive into this. Alright, so for those of you that don't know, Lemonade is currently offering homeowners, renters, pet insurance, and soon they will be adding life insurance as well. But this week they have been hinting that they might be going into car insurance next. We're going to look at a couple of tweets. So first up, we have a tweet from Jerome. He says, at Lemonade, please offer car plus umbrella insurance. You were the best insurance experience I ever had, and I was really sad to cancel, but bundling everything in one place was just easier. To that, Lemonade answered, oh, stay tuned, Jerome, muscle emoji. If you don't know what bundling is basically if you take a couple of insurance policies from the same insurance company, you get a better price than if you take car insurance from State Farm, homeowners from Lemonade, and pet insurance from Geico or something like that. And the next tweet is actually from the co-founder Shai Winiger. You can see this very, very cool graphic animation of Godzilla and I don't know what the other guy is, maybe the Cookie Monster or whatnot, and they are taking cars off the road, pink cars as well. So maybe car insurance might be coming to Lemonade next. I always thought that travel insurance might be coming next before car insurance, but hey, I might be wrong. So now let's go and discuss how hard this will be for Lemonade to enter this market, and obviously let's talk about the Tesla argument. Right, so the biggest argument against Lemonade going into car insurance, I always see that in the comments below. I also think of the same, is how can they compete with a company like Tesla going into car insurance, because, well, Tesla have the cars, they have the data, full self-driving, they will probably be superior to Lemonade, and I agree 100% with all those arguments. But there is a big flaw in that argument, and that's that not everyone in the world is driving with a Tesla car, and as well right now Tesla insurance is only available for Teslas. And it's only available in California at the moment. As we can see here on the Tesla insurance website, is Tesla insurance available for all Tesla owners? Tesla insurance is currently available to all Model S, X, 3, Y, and Roadster owners in California. Insurance will expand to additional US states in the future. So yes, I expect Tesla insurance to be available across the United States moving forward, but right now it's only available to Tesla cars in California. Again, even if they expand to other states in the United States, it will still only be Tesla insurance for Tesla cars until they license their software, their full self-driving software, to other car manufacturers. Then yes, their insurance will be available to other cars as well, and that's how they will be superior to others, because they will have so much data. I agree 100% with that argument, but let's not forget, the car world is not a monopoly. It's not dominated by Tesla right now. There will still be a lot of other cars on the road in 10 years, in 20 years. So hopefully that clears the big argument that Lemonade cannot compete with Tesla. Probably nobody could compete with Tesla, but let's not forget the car insurance market, and the insurance market is not a monopoly. It's $1 trillion business. It's a huge market. There's enough space for a lot of players. All right, so now let's discuss how Lemonade could actually do car insurance. So first point is, well, just the regular way, just like any other insurance does right now. You buy a car, you get Lemonade insurance. Simple as that. Second point, they could partner up with specific car dealerships or ride-sharing companies. So let's say they go to Uber or Lyft and say, look, whenever somebody drives an Uber or starts being a Uber driver, offer Lemonade insurance instead. Maybe on the app, they could integrate via their API. Pretty simple. They add Lemonade insurance just with one click. You buy your car, you rent a car, you go and take an Uber. You see Lemonade insurance at the bottom. Do you want insurance? Yes. Flip the switch. And that's it. Obviously, they will need to collect a lot of data. They might probably buy data from a third party as well. use telematics, maybe create a driver's profile that you can go from one car to the other, one company to the other. Maybe someone has a huge fleet of car. You have your driver's profile created on Lemonade. Maybe you're a risky driver, high risk, no high risk. Obviously, the premiums will vary from high to low if you're level 1 driver or if you're level 5 driver, for example. Right, so going back to the point of the data collecting, I don't know if you know, but even today your car is collecting tons and tons of data about your driving behavior. Experts predict that by 2020, so obviously last year, connected cars will collect more than 11 petabytes of data a year, including from embedded telematics devices. To put this into context, 11 petabytes of songs playing continuously would last for over 22,000 years. Alright, so a lot of data is already being collected by a lot of companies, whether it's the car manufacturer, whether it's Apple or Google that you're using as an entertainment service in your car. A lot of data has been collected already in the past couple of years. That's nothing new. So that data is there and available to be purchased, to be used, to be manipulated, whatnot. So you might ask yourself, what kind of data is actually relevant for Lemonade insurance or for other car insurance? Well, let's say speed, the amount of time you take your car, how long you're driving, how many times you hit the brakes, for example. Do you lock your car? Do you use your blinkers? All of that data will be collected and will be calculated so they could give you a maybe higher premium or lower premium. And lastly, let's talk about the technological disruption of the car insurance market. Because right now, as you know, insurance companies base their obviously premium and their prices not based on your actual expertise of how you can drive your car, but on the driver's age, on the model of your car, and many old school models, regardless of how good you can drive. However, by using this data that we've just spoken about, they could price their premiums much better and much more specific to each individual driver, whether you're renting a car, buying a car, using Uber, Lyft, e-scooters, e-bikes, whatnot, they can price it very precisely. This is also a big advantage, for example, when you have an accident, so the impact can be immediate. Insurers will also know immediately when a driver had an accident and can alert emergency services or offer roadside assistance. More importantly is that insurers will now have the data necessary to actually examine the accident. They will know exactly why this accident happened. And I will end this video by asking you a little question is, well, now that there is this thing that's called mobility as a service, it raises a question to who should be insured in an event of an accident. Should it be the owner? Should it be the operator? Or should it be the vehicle itself? Let me know down in the comments below, who do you think should be insured? Because that's, I think, a big question a lot of companies and a lot of people are asking themselves right now. Alright, and that will be it for this video. If you liked it, leave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.